Hey friends, this is Natif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On a weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin is still moving. This is, by the way, second week that it is still moving at the support of the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, but we have broken down this blue line that is the basis of the Bollinger Bands, and previously it was breaking as a support, and now it can work as a strong resistance. This time, if the price starts moving to the upside, then this time this basis or resistance will be approximately at $65,339. At the same time, you can see that this is, by the way, Bollinger Bands width indicator, and the blue line is about to hit the lowest contraction point that can be the support of this indicator. And you can see whenever the blue line moves at this support of Bollinger Band width indicator or hits this lowest contraction point, and after that, when it starts moving to the upside, and if the price line is moving at the support of the Bollinger Band, then you can see that the price line also follow the blue line, and we are watching very massive rallies. It has been happening in the previous histories, and in today's video we will analyze this indicator and this move. And I would also like to show you this super trend indicator as well. You can see that price line is once again very close to hit the support of super trend. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for BTC Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that the price line is once again dropped down at the support of the Bollinger Bands. And usually whenever it hits the support of the Bollinger Bands, and if the Bollinger Bands width indicator this blue line hits this maximum for lowest contraction point, that is this green line that you can also call the support of this indicator as well, then after that you can see that the price line moves up with this blue line, and then we can catch the next rally, like it was happening here, and now again it is about to happen. You can see that blue line is about to hit the support of this Bollinger Bands width indicator, and you can also observe that Bollinger Bands is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time it can start a big move to the upside or to the downside. Like previously when it was squeezed here, it started squeezing here, then we had a big drop at the support, and after that we had a big move to the upside when this blue line started moving to the upside after hitting the lowest contraction point of this Bollinger Band width indicator. And after that, you can see that the price and again started a very massive rally, broke out this basis of the Bollinger Band and read the upper bands of the Bollinger Band, and now it is once again dropped at this support. At the same time, if we take a look at the super trend indicator, then here you can see that by the way, this is a very useful indicator, and using this indicator, we can also determine or measure the Bitcoin bull run as well, because whenever it turns green, then you can see that Bitcoin starts very massive rally. Then when it turns red, then it starts a really very massive bearish trends. Like on this weekly time frame chart, it was happening here. By the way, first it was turned red here in the month of May 2021. Then we had a nice move to the upside once again, but the pricing could not continue the rally, and again it started a very massive bearish trend. And before that, you can see when it was turned green here, then we had a very massive rally. And by the way, this rally was begun here in the month of April 2019, but here we had the COVID crash. Therefore, for a few weeks it was turned red, and after that this rally was continued. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support of the super trend. By the way, here we have a lot of supports, like we have the support of the top channel, we have the support of the super trend, and slightly below the support of the super trend, we also have another support of $49,000. Right now, the price line is moving at the lowest price support of the month of May 2023. May 2024, and this support is here at $56,500. And until or unless the price will not break down this super trend on the weekly time frame chart, this bull run will be continued to the upside. And by the way, you can see that during this bull run, every time after some price correction, the price moved very close to the support of the super trend, but did not hit the support. And even this time, you can see that in the previous candlestick, we had this very long and bearish candlestick, but now the current weekly candlestick is bullish. So far, it is bullish. It depends where it will be closed. For example, if it will be moving more down, then it can be also bearish as well. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on these supports. Now, if we take a look at the directional movement index, then still you can see that it is turning bearish, like its orange line. That is a negative directional index. That is a bearish line, has crossed the blue line. That is a bearish signal, but still this ADX is moving to the downside. If it will start moving to the upside, that can be the signal that now we can expect a massive sell-off. But right now you can see that it is moving to the downside. Like previously, when this blue line was crossing up the orange line, at the same time ADX was moving up, it was showing the signal that now we may expect a massive buying. And you can see that we had a very, very massive rally after the massive buying. Same as like that, if this ADX will start moving to the upside, then we can expect a massive sell-off. So far, it is not happening. You can see it is still moving to the downside. Therefore, it can be a fake out or a fake signal, false signal, this bear cross. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this ADX, on the DMI, directional movement index indicator as well. And now if we take a look at the support of the channel, then you can see that once the price line will be bounced back from the support of the channel, then first we will need to break out this double top resistance, and that resistance level starts from $69,000 to $73,000. And after breaking out this resistance on, we can expect that this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.